Today we are diving into one of the most powerful and important topic every YouTuber should know: SEO, also known as search engine optimization. If you've ever wondered why most videos get recommended everywhere, like you see it everywhere on all of your platforms, while others barely get seen, then the answer often lies in SEO. Stick with me until the end, guys, because I will not only explain what SEO is, I will also understand why it's important and step by steps on how to apply it to your YouTube videos so that you can finally start getting the audience and the views that you deserve. Okay, now before we begin, let me ask you a question. Do you currently optimize your videos for SEO, or do you just upload it randomly and just hope they perform well? Please drop your answers in the comments. I would love to reply you as well. Now, SEO's search engine optimization, in simple terms, is the process of making your content easy to find. Okay, when people search for your content, they can find it easily, whether on Google, YouTube, or any other search engines like Bing and the others. Making your content easy to find is what SEO does for you. So every day, millions of people ask YouTube questions, and now SEO makes sure your video shows in all of those search engines. Do you understand? So without SEO, your video is like a book sitting on a library without no book cover, no description, no title, nothing. Nobody will find that book. Nobody will pick it up, even if it's the best book in the world. As far as it doesn't have a cover, it doesn't have anything that defines the book, nobody will read or study that book. Now, let's talk about why SEO is important, because I know a lot of people will be asking, why do I need to use SEO? SEO is very important. The first thing is visibility. If you don't optimize your videos, YouTube has no clue what your videos is about. SEO helps YouTube to categorize your video and recommend your videos easily. Now, the next thing is growth. Optimized videos attract more clicks and more watch time on YouTube and more subscribers. So using SEO is the best thing you can do for your channel as a creator. Now think of SEO as a growth multiplier, because that's what it is. Now the competition, there are millions of videos uploaded daily on YouTube, every second, every minute, and every hour. SEO give you an edge so you don't get buried under all of this endless content, and that's why a good SEO works for you even while you're asleep or offline. Your videos will keep giving you more views, subscribers, watch hours, months after months, and even years after posting that video, simply because it's properly optimized for search. Now let's talk about how to use SEO for your videos. Okay, we're going to break it down step by step, guys. The first step is keyword research. You know, keywords are phrases people type into YouTube search bar and videos pop up immediately. So in order for your videos to appear in that kind of search bar, you need to use keywords that actually make other videos people, which are similar to your content, of course, pop up. For example, if you're making a video about, let's say, a healthy breakfast idea, and your keyword might be quick healthy breakfast recipes. You see, people want to see how far, they want to know how far with this video. Why do you call it quick? How is it healthy and all of that? Now put keywords with good search volume, but not keywords that have too much competitions, so that your videos will pop up. Because trust me, before you come on YouTube, there are a lot of people already doing what you want to do or similar. Do you understand? So this is what makes you stand out and doesn't bury your channel underneath all of these competitions. Do you understand? So use keywords so that your videos can appear and your channel can be recommended. Now, the second step is for you to optimize your video's title. Okay, your keywords should appear naturally in your title. Do you understand? For instance, like breakfast tips, you can just say 5 quick healthy breakfast recipe for busy mornings. Are you seeing your title? 5 quick healthy breakfast recipe for busy mornings. This kind of title tells YouTube and viewers exactly what your video is about. Okay, now the third step is to create a strong description. Your description is like an article summary. It's very important. The first 2-3 lines matters a lot because they show up in that search bar. Do you understand? So place your main keywords in the first sentence. Your description, you can say, in this video, I will share 5 quick and healthy breakfast recipes that are perfect for busy mornings. These meals are easy, nutritious, and will keep you energized all day. Do you understand? This has keywords all over it. Nutritious is keywords. Nutritious me, energize, busy morning, 5 quick recipes. These are all keywords. Healthy. These are keywords that people search for. Do you understand? Now, the fourth step is use tags wisely. Tags are not as powerful as they used to be, but they still help you get recognized in a lot of ways, guys. You can mix it up with your main keywords, okay? There's a place where you add tags, like this part is where you add tags in your videos, guys. Ensure you add tags that are related to that particular video that you are making, okay? Now the fifth step is for you to use thumbnails. Use good thumbnails, okay? Because thumbnails matters for SEO too. YouTube measures how many people click on your video when they see your thumbnail, which is the click-through rate. Your thumbnail is what determines it, along with your title. So a strong thumbnail is very good because it will spark audience curiosity and they will click on your video, okay? Now the next step is engagement matters. You know, SEO does not just stop at clicks. Likes, comments, watch time, all of them matters a lot. So guys, always encourage your viewers to interact with your video and engage. Okay, invite them to comment, to share their thoughts, to like the video, and to subscribe as well. Because, for example, you can just ask them, which recipe do you think is better? Let me know in the comments. Just as the way I asked you if you were optimizing your video at the beginning of this video. Now, to wrap this up, I would like to remind you of everything we've talked about today, okay? I said in order for you to use SEO for your video and optimize your videos fully, I said use research keywords, keywords that attract or brings about views that make your video pops up in the search engine. Optimize your titles and keywords with those keywords. Now write a keyword rich description. Okay, let your keywords be in the first line and every other part in your description. Then I said add relevant tags that will drag clicks to your traffic to your video. I said design thumbnails that are clickable and curious driven that can drive engagement to your channel. And then I said drag engagement through comments, likes, and share. When you consistently do all of this, your audience grows, your channel grows, and everything around your channel just keeps moving, okay? And those views and those audience will keep bringing in more clicks to your videos, okay? Everybody's going to keep come across that video at different times, so it's never stop getting views as far as you are applying SEOs, okay? Now you know what SEO means and why it's important and exactly how to apply it to your videos, guys. Remember, YouTube SEO is not a one-time trick, it's a habit. The more you optimize your videos, the more YouTube will understand your content and the more opportunities your channel have to explode and grow. Okay, now I'd love to hear from you again. Which part of SEO do you struggle with as a creator? Is it the keyword research, the description, or the thumbnail? Just let me know in the comments and I'll be there to help you out and direct you, okay? So if this video has been helpful for you, please guys, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your comments. That being said, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.